welcome to Cooking Cutie Pie AI, where we fuse the power of AI into cooking delicious healthy food and dessert as well. Alright, so today I'm going to share with you on how we make this delicious and healthy protein smoothie, which is really great to have as a breakfast or as a snack before a workout or after workout. Alright, so let's look at the ingredient and get the cooking started. Alright, so the ingredient for this protein smoothie or my everyday breakfast smoothie is whey vanilla protein. If you don't like to add any protein, you can just use this fruit and chia seed and water, that's fine. I have about 1 scoop of protein, half tablespoon chia seed, about 1 medium banana, 2 strawberry, half of avocado cut, and then some blueberry and spinach, a slice of lemon, and also I will use plain water, or you can use almond milk, soy milk, or regular milk, coconut milk, anything that you prefer. Alright, we will use the blender to blend all this ingredient together. Alright, so now it's time to assemble or put everything into the blender. I'm using Ninja blender today. I'm going to add my spinach first, then banana. This smoothie is so easy to make, super refreshing, and when you drink it you feel full. You can make this for breakfast and drinking in the car while you're going to work, or pre-workout or after workout as well. Alright, and you can also add any fruit or any berry of your choice. I also like to add a slice of lemon to bring out the flavor in there, to balance out the sweetness, followed by the protein powder. And the chia seed. If you have flaxseed or hempseed, those two are also a great source of fiber as well, and make this smoothie even more healthier, right? And after that I will just add plain water. If I have almond milk at home, I would prefer to add almond milk. And water, that should be enough, just enough so we can blend all that ingredient together. So we'll cover it. Make sure to tighten it all the way up. Now it's time to blend. Make sure to lock it before and then turn it on. If you are on diet, this smoothie is also a great source of fiber and protein, not too sweet without any added sugar. So alright, so now it's done blending. I will turn it off and we take it out from the blender. Look at that. It looks so good already, right? If you want to take it to work, you can just use the cover of this to cover and then drink it, take it to work. Or if you want to just make it at home, just pour it into the glass. Oh my goodness, look at how delicious and creamy it is. Okay, so look at that. My smoothie, creamy vanilla protein, healthy breakfast protein smoothie. You can have this every day before you go to work, pre-workout, post-workout. And it's super delicious, creamy sweetness from the banana and the protein. Hello, welcome back. So now it's done. Let's enjoy our creamy, healthy protein smoothie or healthy protein smoothie, alright? Oh my god, I can't wait to try it. It's so good, so creamy, so delicious. It's amazing. Oh my goodness. You have to try it, alright? Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Just so refreshing. Alright, so now you know how to make it, and I hope you give this recipe a try. I will list the ingredient in the comment down below. If you have any question, don't forget to leave a comment down below. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friend and family, and subscribe to my channel for more cooking video. And also, thank you so much for your support. Happy cooking. Bye.